If you're looking for a completely free PDF tool to create, edit, and manage PDFs, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to download, install, and use JOPDF step by step. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now, search for JOPDF in Google. Click on the official JOPDF website. Always make sure you're on the official site to avoid fake downloads. On the website, click the download button. Once the download file stuck during installation, don't worry, click on Ignore button, it will access automatically full setup. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install JOPDF. After installation is complete, launch the JOPDF app. JOPDF is completely free and offers all essential tools. You can create PDFs, edit PDFs, merge files, convert documents, and much more, without paying anything. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed JOPDF. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching.